Hello students, welcome to Misostudy and welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions for upcoming JEE Main examination. Clear my friend, I have taken few questions from mole concept. It is one of the most important point, most important chapter, you can say most important topic. If you have a command over mole concept, then you can cover the topic stoichiometry 1, stoichiometry 2, equivalent mass concept. Most of the numerical parts you can easily cover. So let's start the question answer round. I'm starting with the first question. Read the question carefully what is given here. I have taken not very much tough question and not very much simple, moderate level questions. Clear? Yeah. The question number 1, it is given here, that is 5.85 gram of NaCl. Look at 5.85 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 liter water. Okay. The number of ions of Na plus and Cl minus is 1 ml of this solution will be. That means to say what they are asking, that is find the number of ions present in 1 ml of this solution. This is a simple question. It will take around hardly 30 seconds to solve it. But right now I am providing you the solution. So I will move in detail. Clear to you? Yes. Now first of all, what is given? 5.85 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 liter water. So we have to find the number of moles of NaCl. That is our prime target. Yes. What do you mean by number of moles? Given mass upon molecular mass. And the given mass is given 5.85. And what is the molecular mass here? 58.5. Then what will happen? We will get the number of moles is 0.1. Okay. Now listen carefully. 1 mole NaCl, yes sir, contains Na plus and Cl minus ion. That means to say 1 mole NaCl contains 1 mole of Na plus and 1 mole of Cl minus ion. That means to say we can write like this. 1 NaCl contains 2 ion, 1 cation and 1 anion. So 1 mole NaCl will contain 2 into Na Avogadro ions, or you can say 2 mole ions. Yes sir, because 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Is it clear? Yes. What I am telling, 1 mole NaCl contains 2 mole ion, 2 moles of ion. Then 0.1 mole will contain? Yes sir. Now we can say 0.1 mole of NaCl will contain 2 into 0.1 mole ion. Yes sir, am I right? Yes. 2 into 0.1 multiplied by Avogadro number ions, because 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 0.1 mole in 1 liter. Okay. Now what will happen? It will give you 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 10 ions. So it can be written like this: 12.044 into 10 to the power 22 ions. This is the number of ions present in 0.14 mole of NaCl in 1 liter. Now they are asking that is in 1 ml. So we can say therefore the total number of ions, that is total number of Na plus and Cl minus ion will be 12.044 into 10 to the power 22 divided by 1000, because 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So after solving, what do we get? It will give you 1.2 into 10 to the power 20 ion. So the number of Na plus and Cl minus ion is 1.2 into 10 to the power 20 ions. Clear? Again I am repeating here, 1.2 into 10 to the power 20, and it's very simple. Without using pen and paper, you can also find out the answer. 5.85 mole, that is 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole, that is 1 NaCl contains 2 ion, that is 1 Na plus and 1 Cl minus. So 0.1 mole will contain 0.1 into 2 mole ions, and 1 mole contains Na, Avogadro number. So 0.1 mole of ion contains 0.1 into 2 into Avogadro, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now in 1 ml divided by 1000, you will get the answer. So you do not need to waste your time, but here I am giving you a detailed solution. I am clarifying each and every point. That's why I am taking time. Otherwise, for solving one question, just 30 seconds is sufficient. You have to achieve that much skill to hammer the target to achieve the good marks in chemistry in upcoming JEE Main examination. Clear to you? Now I'm going to wrap this part and let's move to the next question. What is given in the next question? Check it out. The next question is question number 2. Now read the question carefully. It is given here, if mass of neutron is assumed to be half of its original value, okay, whereas that of proton is assumed to be twice of its original value, then the atomic mass of carbon 14 will be, okay. Now first of all, what is given in C14? This is the case. In general case, number of neutrons, tell me, it is number of neutrons will be equal to 14 minus 6, 8, and number of protons will be equal to 6. This is the general case. Now according to the question, what is given, if mass of neutron is assumed to be half of its original value, and the mass of proton is assumed to be twice of its original value. So now we can say what is the new atomic mass. We know atomic mass, or you can say the mass number. Atomic mass comes in fraction, mass number cannot comes in fraction. So I am taking the mass number. Mass number is equal to, we people know, number of neutron plus number of proton. Now here neutron reduced to half, that means to say 1 by 2 into 8, and protons get doubled, and that is 2 into 6. So what we get, that is 4 plus 6 to 12. Am I right or wrong? Yes, that is, we get 16. So the new atomic mass, protons is assumed to be twice, protons has 6. Okay, that is, the new atomic mass is 16 AMU or 16 gram if I cover the mole. Now the original atomic mass, tell me, it is given original atomic mass is 14. Now when neutron reduced to half and proton increases, the mass increases. So what is the percentage increase? Tell me. Yes sir, the percentage increase will be 16 minus 14 divided by 14 multiplied by 100, that is 2 upon 14 multiplied by 100, that is 7. 100 upon 7, it will be equal to 7174, 14.28%. So we will write here, that is, in this case, what will, clear to you, new atomic mass is equal to 16, original atomic mass will be equal to 14. This is the 14. Now what is the increment? Percentage 16 minus 14 divided by 14 multiplied by 100. So we will say the percentage increment, that is the value, the new atomic mass will be B option, 14.28% more. Clear? Yes sir. Now I'm going to rub this solution, and let's move to the next segment, next question. What is given in the next question? Check it out. Now question number 3, read the question carefully. This is again a good question I have taken from the topic mole concept. The density of a liquid, it is given the density of a liquid is 1.2 gram per ml. That is, rho is equal to 1.2 gram per ml. There are 35 drops in 2 ml. Okay, there are 35 drops in 2 ml. Okay, so volume of one drop, volume of one drop is equal to, we will write 2 upon 35. Yes, this is simple one. Okay, the number of molecules in one drop if the molecular weight of the liquid is 70. Okay, we have to find the number of molecules in one drop. So first of all, we have to find the number of moles in one drop, then multiply it by Avogadro number, we will get the answer. Yes. So how to find? We have volume of one drop. Now we have density given, and we know, listen carefully, density, we know density is equal to mass upon volume. This is the case. And what is density here? This is 1.2. And what is the mass? We do not know, put here W. And what is the volume? 2 upon 35. Clear? Yes. Now we will write here 1.2 into 2 upon 35 is equal to given mass. And we know that number of moles equal to given mass upon molar mass. So given mass will be equal to number of moles into molar mass. Yes, put the value number of moles into molar mass. 1.2 multiply 2 upon 35 is equal to number of moles into molar mass. Now molar mass is given according to the question is 70. Molar mass is given is 70. So what will happen? Number of moles is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 70 multiply by 2 upon 35. Clear? Yes. Now it will cancel 35. So we get number of moles will be equal to 1 by 2 upon 35 square. This is the number of moles we have got. Now we have to find the number of molecules. 1 mole contains Na, Avogadro number. So 1 by 2 into 35, 1.2 upon 35 square molecules contain 1.2 upon 35 square multiply by Na. This Na is, my friend, nothing but a Avogadro number. This is the case. This is the answer. Do you have any doubt? Okay, I'm moving here. I'm giving you a technique. Use this, you can find each and every question related to mole concept. Right here, 1 mole will be equal to atomic mass slash molecular mass. Okay, 1 mole equal to atomic mass equal to molecular mass, or Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units, or you can write 22.4 liter. If you use this relation, you can find each and every questions of mole concept. 1 mole is equal to atomic mass or molecular mass equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 unit equal to 22.4 liter. These are the relation. If you use this relation, then definitely you will get the answer. Now I'm going to rub this part and let's move to the next question, my friend. So the answer will be, you can write here, C is the correct option, 1.2 upon 35 square into Na. Now let's move to the next question. This question is question number 4. What is the question number 4? 26.8 gram of Na2SO4. It is given here 26.8 gram of Na2SO4 into NH2O contains 12.6 gram of water. Then what is the value of N? Clear notification here, 26.8 gram of Na2SO4 into NH2O contains 12.6 gram of water. Okay. First of all, what is the molecular mass of molecular mass of Na2SO4 into NH2O? Okay. that is the molecular mass of Na2SO4 into NH2O. Okay, Na2SO4, that is 2 into 23 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 plus 18N. Clear? Yes. 46 plus 32 plus 64 plus 18N. That is 46 plus 32. 46, 32 and 64. Okay, 6, 4, 10, 12, 4, 3, 7, 2, 13 and 14. 142. 142 plus 18M. This is the molecular mass. Okay. So, we will say that is 140, okay, 26.8 gram, the value of N. Okay, now what to do? That is the, we have to find the value of N. Now what is the mass is given? We will write here, that is 142 plus 18N, Na2SO4 into NH2O contains 18N H2O, 18N grams H2O. Yes. Now it is given here 26.8 gram. 26.8 gram Na2SO4 into NH2O will contain, it will contain, that is 18N upon 142 plus 18. Yes, 18N upon 142 plus 18 multiply by 26.8 gram H2O. Clear? Yes. And it is according to the question, it is given, that is 12.6. Therefore, we can write here 12.6 is equal to 18N divided by 142 plus 18N multiply by 26.8. So, put here 12.6 divided by 26.8 equal to 18N upon 142 plus 18N. Now, you estimate the question. If you estimate the question, you will get the answer. Now, you can easily solve this expression for N. And what is the value of N here? The value of N is equal to 7. You will find the value of N is equal to 7. Do you have any problem? Look at what I have done. First of all, find the formula, find the molecular mass. The molecular mass is 142 plus 18N. We do not know the value of N, therefore I have written 142 plus 18N. Now we know 142 plus 18N gram Na2SO4 into NH2O contains 18N gram H2O. Am I right? Now 26.8 gram Na2SO4 into NH2O will contain 18N upon 142 plus 18N multiply by 26.8 gram of H2O, and this value is given 12.6 gram of water. So equate this value, you will get the answer. So as per the thing, the value of N will be 7. Value of N will be 7. Yes, around 7. Check these things. If I solve the expression, may answer the varies. I am not going to solve the solve this calculation. You can easily solve. The value should be N is equal to 7. Or if you estimate, let me check once. 12.6 upon 26. If I estimate the answer, how can you find the exact figure? Let's check once. Okay, we can put like this. 12.6 almost estimately 1 by 2. So 18 to the 36N minus 18N will be equal to 142. So 18N is equal to 142 and N is equal to 142 upon 18. Okay. That must be equal to almost value 7. So the answer is correct. So the answer will be D. D is the correct option. 7. N is equal to 7. Did you get it? Yes, sir. It's very simple. You can easily solve the questions. In mole concept, you have to focus the basic formula, the basic rules is sufficient to solve each and every question. Mole mass relation, mole volume relation, mole number of particles relation. Just find out what is the exact relation. If you have the command over the relation, then you can easily solve the questions. Clear, my friend? And in mole concept, you can also actually in your NCERT books or your competitive examination book, they also cover the few laws, gas laws. There are laws, few gas laws are there. Then they also cover equivalent mass concept. In equivalent mass concept, you will also study in the topic stoichiometry also. In mole concept, in some institute, they used to teach the equivalent mass concept, atomic mass concept, atomic weight, how to find the atomic Dulles and Pettit law, chloride formation method. Lots of methods are there. So pick the questions from each and every topic and try to solve the questions. These are very simple, and you can easily solve. Again, I am repeating, if you have the command over the theory. Numerical always comes from the basic theory. So first of all, clear your basic theories. I have taken I have separated these things in a important chapter, that is volumetric analysis. In volumetric analysis, I have discussed the equivalent mass concept, atomic weight concept, and as well as the molarity concept together with the titration. So I have categorized it into mole concept, stoichiometry, and the volumetric analysis, sufficient for you to cover the entire topic of this chapter. Clear? Yes. Now let's move to the next question. What is given in the next question? Check it out. The question is, how many moles of Na plus ion are in 20 ml of 0.4 molar Na3PO4? What is given? How many moles of Na plus ion is present in 0.4 molar Na3PO4? As we know, Na3PO4 dissociate as 3Na plus and PO4 3 minus. Clear? That means to say 1 Na3 plus 1 Na3O4 gives you 3 Na plus. So we can say 1 mole Na3PO4 will give 3 mole Na plus. Is it clear to you? Now, according to the data, we have to find the number of moles. Now, it is given in the question, that is the volume is 20 ml. Clear? And the molarity is 0.4 molar. Now we know molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume of solution in ml multiply by 1000. This is the formula of molarity. Put the value, that is molarity, put the value 0.4. Number of moles, what is volume? 20, and multiply by 1000. Clear? Yes. 50. And n is equal to, we will write n is equal to 0.4 divided by 50. Put here 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 2 upon 25. Yeah. Clear? Yes. Now n is equal to 1 upon 1/125. This is the number of moles of Na3PO4. Now we know it is given here 1 mole. I am moving here. 1 mole Na3PO4 gives you 3 mole Na plus. 3 mole Na plus. So we can write 1/125 mole Na3PO4 will give 1/125 multiply by 3 mole Na plus. That is 3/125 moles of Na plus. Clear to you? So after solving, I am moving here, you will find, you will find the value which will be equivalent to 0.024. Clear, my friend? Yes, sir. Definitely. It is very simple and you can solve this question very easily. These are the not so much tough. These are very simple questions. Now I am going to rub this part and let's move to the next question. What is given in the question? Check it out. Now question number 6. This is a good question. Read the question. It is given here CO plus half O2. It gives you CO2. First of all, let me write the equation. CO plus half O2. It gives you CO2, yes, and N2 plus half O2. It gives you 2NO. Again I am repeating, N2 plus O2, it gives you 2NO. Okay, 10 ml of mixture containing carbon monoxide. 10 ml mixture containing carbon monoxide and nitrogen required 7 ml of oxygen to form CO2 plus and NO. Suppose CO is X and NO is Y. So we will write here given X plus Y is 10 ml as per the question. Now balance the reaction. If I then we have to put here X by 2 and here is Y. Now according to the question, X by 2 plus Y is equal to 7. Look at given, that is containing nitrogen, carbon monoxide, nitrogen required 7 mole of oxygen. So X by 2 plus Y is equal to 7. Now take the LCM. What we get? X plus 2Y upon 2 is equal to 7. So we will write here X plus 2Y is equal to 14. Now we have two equation, and question is the volume of N2 in the mixture will be. It's very simple. You can easily solve these two expression. You will get the answer. So how to solve this question? Check it out. We will write here X plus Y is equal to 10 and X plus 2Y is equal to 14. Now subtract them, cancel each other. This will cancel each other. Minus Y is equal to minus 4. So we will write here Y is equal to 4. So we can easily say that is the volume of N2 in the mixture will be volume of N2 in the mixture will be equal to 4. Clear? Again I am repeating, volume of N2 in the mixture will be equal to 4. So what is the answer here? We can easily predict the answer is 4 ml. And if anyone asks you what is the volume of CO, so we can easily write the volume of CO in the mixture. In the mixture will be what? 14 minus 4, because the 10 minus 4, no? Total volume will be 10, 10 minus 4 will be 6. So this question looks tough. Read the question carefully. You have the ability to solve each and every question. It totally depend upon your previous theory. It totally depend upon your concept. Still, if you have any doubt related to any question, related to any topic of mole concept, you come to our website, that is www.misostudy.com, and post your question. I will definitely solve each and every queries of you, so that you can, what we wish, what we think, what we pray, that get good marks, get placed in, get good rank in the upcoming examination, and get good college, good engineering college. Clear to you? So work hard, work properly, you can solve each and everything and achieve the goal. So my friend, now I am not going to add more question in this session. We are going in next session we will discuss few question of stoichiometry. Now time has come, my friend, time to say bye bye. Thank you so much.